Hey everybody, Rick Sammon here. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to have more fun in Photoshop, you've come to the right place. This lesson is about how to create artistic images with the Orton effect. It's very quick, it's very simple, it's very easy. And with this effect, you can create a soft, dreamy, artistic image from a straight shot like you see here. So let me show you how to do it. The first thing you want to do is you want to duplicate your layer because you never want to work on your original image. That's called destructive image editing. So with the top layer clicked here, you're going to go to Filter, you're going to go to Blur, you're going to go to Gaussian Blur. Now I usually like to blur the heck out of it, sometimes up to 50%, but this is up to you. So play around with this experiment, have more fun in Photoshop. So we're going to click OK. So to create the effect, you're going to go down here to your blending modes, and you're going to go over here to Overlay. You may like soft light, but I kind of like, for this image, Overlay. Now, once I click that, already we have this, I think, nice artistic image. If that effect is too much for you, you can go over here to your opacity and look what happens. If we reduce it all the way, that effect totally disappears. But I'm going to leave it at 100% for now. Now, some of you may say, well, Rick, it's nice enough, but some of these shadows are too blocked up. No problem. Again, you've come to the right place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, I'm going to go down here, I'm going to create a layer mask. Now with the layer mask, what happens is black hides, white reveals. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to set my foreground color to black, right? So with this clicked, you have to click this, a foreground color black, and this is important. I'm going to select my brush here. You can see this brush is at 100%. If I leave it at 100%, I could, mask out that effect, which you see over here as indicated with black. However, what I can do is this. If I want more control, and I encourage you to do this because having control in Photoshop is what it's all about, we can reduce, again, working with that brush, we can reduce that opacity. So the more we reduce it, the more control we have, and like the slower the effect is applied. So look at, I'm going over here, and I'm just getting back a little bit of that detail. So before over here you saw black totally hides, gray kind of like hides. So listen, my friends, that's a very quick, easy way how to create the Orton effect in Photoshop. If you want more tips on Photoshop, photography, travel photography, check out my website, ricksammon.com. I'll catch you later.